So I've stripped the back, sanded it. It's like beautiful now, the blade, and you can see that we've got, this a problem with the handle. I've pulled back the handle as well so we can see it better. The back is like, you can see the crack up in there, and it's well, it's something, but I'm hoping we can just sort of glue it and it'll be minor. But the back has now been totally clean. I kind of stuffed it up and used a clamp on it without, and I did put something between the clamp and the, but yeah, it still damaged it, which really bums me out. But other than that, it's looking good. So I had some problems trying to get a handle, because the local guys, they buy them in bulk and then they repair the handles themselves, so they don't really want to give you the handles, I don't think. But I'm buying one at the price it would cost for them to fix it, and including the handle, but I want to do the fix myself. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this handle off now, and then I'm going to cut the V out as well. So here we go. Wow, that's a bit rattly. Oh, I see what's happened. That's loosened up. Alright. Alright, so I tightened up my little jigsaw, and now I'm going to try and, I'm a bit worried, but I'm going to try and cut through from this way. Oh yeah, I see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's kind of working. Right, that's one sort of side. Ooh, but this side not so good. Maybe I should. Yeah, that side looks perfect. I'm going to have to file quite a bit off there, obviously. Right, let's okay. strange actually, the way the... It's not, is that just cutting crooked now? Maybe. Yeah, see, it's not as quick. That was kind of cutting crooked, so come on. Oh yeah, I see what's happening. So it's got it out a bit, but now I just need to wedge out the little bits of the, but lucky it kind of is just coming out, which is good. Yeah, you don't have to actually cut it all out, you can just chisel it out. Maybe a little. Ah, there we are. Just chip sort of popped out. Nice. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, not damaging anything. Alright, so yeah, I've got the handle out, well, 90% out, and I'll probably give it a little bit of a rasp on the inside there. I've decided I'll glue this crack. I'll pull it up and I'll glue it again with super glue, and then clamp it or tape it for a night. Yeah, but right now I'm in the process of getting a new handle still and buying the original stickers from Duncan Fearnley in the UK. So yeah, it'll be a wee while before I can do any more work on this. So I'll come back to you soon. So I have got the bat back now, and I thought I'd do a bit of a unboxing. I'm pretty excited about it. So let's have a look. Okay, just a sec. My unboxing videos aren't the best, if we're being honest. Okay, let's have a look here. Here comes the bat. Oh, look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Totally new handle on there. Oh, that handle's perfect finish. Perfect finish. Thank you, Fantail Cricket. I am going to take that sticker off though. Fantastic. I'm very excited. So I have been waiting for the original stickers to arrive. I bought them from Duncan Fearnley in the UK. Here they are. I've been sort of, I've sanded the back and it looks pretty good now, I think. And now I'm going to, and as you can see, the handle has been fixed on it. I've already shown you, should be some video on that. I didn't do that. I ended up getting these guys to do it, Fantail Cricket. But now I've got the final stickers. I'm going to put them on, and then I'm going to get some linseed oil and I'll give it a little fix up. Okay, so let's have a wee look at this. I'm just going to maybe there's a little cloth in that. That'll do. Okay. So so that one goes there, that one goes there. Okay, we'll start with this one. That's all we want. Not quite sure how I'm going to do it. This one there goes underneath it. Okay, that's one side. Let's see how that looks. Looking pretty good. And this side goes about there, and goes at the top. Is that right? Oh, it goes like that, doesn't it? Stop. Stop. Have a good day.